Amid the coronavirus pandemic, several states across India are reporting an outbreak, this one of another kind. Mysterious bird deaths have been reported across the country. And it's not just one kind of bird, nor is it coming from only one region. Take this for example. It is coming from the north of the country, from Himachal Pradesh, where the wild geese is mysteriously dying. In the western and central part of the country as well, from Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, where crows are dying. Down south in Kerala, where it's the ducks, and in Haryana, where it's poultry birds, all dying mysteriously just in the last few days. On testing these birds, the authorities found them positive of the avian influenza, popularly known as the bird flu. What is the bird flu? Well, it is a highly contagious viral disease caused by influenza type A viruses, which generally affects poultry birds such as chicken and turkey. There are many strains of these viruses. Some of them are mild, others are said to be severe and quite lethal. It generally spreads with wild aquatic birds such as ducks and geese, who are the natural reservoir for this influenza. Many birds then carry the flu without even developing any sickness. They end up spreading it through their droppings. From water birds, the viruses can easily go further to poultry as well. Sometimes the virus jumps over to even mammals such as pigs, horses, cats and dogs. So the question, can it infect humans? And what is this entire scare all about? Well, actually, it is quite rare that the bird flu has been seen in a human body. But back in 1997, a man in Hong Kong was first reported to have contracted bird flu. It was the H5N1 strain of the virus, and 6 out of the 18 infected lost their lives. But it does not generally spread so easily in humans. In fact, WHO says that generally people coming in close contact with infected birds, alive or dead, have contracted the H5N1 strain of the bird flu, but it usually does not spread from person to person. And the virus is sensitive to heat and dies at cooking temperatures. So, can you eat eggs and chicken, or are you at risk of catching the bird flu then? According to WHO again, chicken and other poultry are safe, but only if cooked properly. That means while eating eggs, cook them until the yolk and the white are firm. And while cooking meat, ensure that it has reached 70 degrees Celsius at the center of the meat and none of it is pink at all. The concern majorly here is during the slaughtering process. So the person involved in that needs to be extra cautious. See, so far in India, no case of bird flu in humans has been detected. But if COVID has taught us anything at all, it is that viruses can mutate and one should not underestimate them. Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor, NDTV.